Hello, in front of me I've got Turtle Beach Burst 2 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to create macro. To create macro, take a look at the screen display and then go to Swarm to App, Macros and create new macro. Now select Trigger and Record. You can create macro from your mouse, controller, keyboard. Tap Save. And now you can duplicate, delete or edit your macro. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.